In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar easily. This integration is a fantastic way to keep your schedule organized across different platforms, ensuring you never miss a meeting. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Outlook on your computer. Outlook is a core part of Microsoft Teams, and we'll be using it to manage the integration process. Once you're in, head over to the Settings menu, which you can usually find in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this, and you'll see a range of options appearing in a drop-down menu. Now, let's move on to the calendar settings. When you click on Settings, look for the Calendar option. Selecting this will take you to all the relevant calendar-related settings and tools within Outlook. This is where you'll be managing the calendar that you want to share with Google Calendar. Once you're in the Calendar section, find the option for Shared Calendars. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage calendar sharing settings. Here, locate the section labeled Publish a Calendar. This allows you to make your calendar available to others and set permissions. Within the Publish a Calendar section, choose the Teams or Outlook calendar that you want to integrate with Google Calendar. You'll then set the permissions to Can View All Details. This setting is crucial because it ensures the calendar details are visible, allowing you to see all your meetings and events in Google Calendar. After setting the permissions, the next step is to copy the ICS link provided. This link is what we'll use to import your Microsoft Teams calendar into Google Calendar. With the ICS link copied, head over to Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, look at the panel on the left and find the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it, which opens a menu where you'll see various options. From this menu, select From URL. This option is designed for importing calendars using a web link, which is precisely what you need. In the From URL section, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. Once pasted, click the Add Calendar button. This action will import the Teams or Outlook calendar into your Google Calendar. You'll see that your calendar has been added and is view only. This integration allows you to view all your Teams or Outlook meetings directly in Google Calendar without needing to switch back and forth between platforms. Remember, this is a view-only integration, so you should continue to manage meeting details through Microsoft Teams or Outlook. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Microsoft Teams calendar with Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This setup will help streamline your scheduling process, making sure you always know what's on your agenda. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.